Okay, so today we're going to be extracting DNA from an onion. Basically, it's a kitchen experiment. All you need is stuff you can find around the house. You need a food processor, a liquid with a high percentage of alcohol, 2 cups, dishwashing detergent, a kitchen knife, half an onion, a timer, coffee filters, a cutting board, a sieve, a skewer, and something to stir the concoction with, salt, and warm water. So, basically what you do is you take the half an onion and cut it into pieces about this size. I've already done that. Then, what you do is you add the salt to the warm water, and you mix it until at least most of it gets absorbed by the water, and then you pour it in here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on and process it for a minute. Okay, that's been a minute. So basically what we're going to do now, oh, by the way, I added a funnel to the list of ingredients because just thinking about it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take this off and take the lid off. And so what we're going to do is put the funnel on, put the strainer on top, and add the onion mix. You don't need all of it. So basically what we're going to do is just wait till a good amount of the liquid is drained down. It doesn't need to be perfect by any means. Okay. Should add a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is press it down with a spoon to make it go a little bit faster. Okay, that's good enough. So, what we do now is add the laundry detergent, or the dish soap, my bad, and we're just going to stir it. And then we're going to leave it for 5 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. The next step is what we're going to do is we're going to use one of the coffee filters. We're going to wedge it in here a little bit. And then we're just going to actually use the funnel. And we are just going to pour this in here. Okay, it's all in, and then there we go. All thing that needed to go through went through. Okay, so now what we do is with this glass. Okay, so this is the high concentration of alcohol bottle. So what we need to do, I already measured a little bit out, is just pour it down the side. So basically, the thinking is we want it to be settled on the top. We do not want this to be mixed in. Okay, should wait a few seconds. Okay, so now it's been a few seconds. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a layer of white stuff that is actually the DNA has formed in between the onion juice and the alcohol. And what I can do is, if I can just take my skewer, okay, so it's been a few seconds and the DNA doesn't seem to be sticking to the skewer right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a close-up. Okay, so like I told you, the alcohol is clear and the onion juice and dishwashing detergent is green. And the white stuff floating around in the alcohol is the DNA. It's actually DNA strands that we've extracted from the onion. So that's DNA extraction. That's onion DNA.